So today we'll be making some of our hot chocolate. It comes in a box like this, so let's get started. So firstly, this is the box. The sleeve just slides off the outside, and in here you'll find the little instruction card and your hot chocolate mix. So on the card has details on stovetop and in the microwave, and also a link through to our YouTube video. So to begin, I always like to have a cup on hand, and I like to fill the milk up to about 1 inch or 2 from the top, just to allow for space for the chocolate to fill. In regards to milk, you can use a full cream milk, be that dairy milk. We've also tested with soy milk and coconut milk. What we found was that it can alter the flavours quite a bit. Rice milk, however, we did try that, and that seemed to work out the best for our hot chocolate. So I do recommend the rice milk if you want to go for dairy free. You can also make this with water as well, personal preference, so give it all a go. So with it filled like that, and then pop that in there, and then we'll start to heat. So now that we have it on the stove, we can bring it up to temperature. First of all, we'd bring it up to around 25 degrees centigrade. That's mainly just because that starts to be the melting point of chocolate, and that way it gets to start to infuse straight away rather than falling to the bottom of the pot. So I've got it on a light heat. We're using a milk frother thermometer to monitor the temperature. So now that it's up to temperature, it's about 25 degrees centigrade, I'm going to add in a couple of tablespoons of the hot chocolate, and we're just going to gently continue to stir it while we raise it up to approximately 60 to 65 degrees. Now the trick to this is, the longer you can leave the chocolate in with the warm milk or water, the longer it has in there, the more it will infuse. So we get a richer, creamier hot chocolate drink the longer you'd leave it in there. Now that we're reaching that sort of 60 degree mark, so we're at about 55 at the moment, we can bring the temperature down a little bit just to maintain that good around 60 mark, and let it infuse for a little bit longer. So now that we've left it to infuse for a while, we can now take it out of the pot and enjoy.